Procedure for checking reinforcement drawings and schedules are shown here, as per SMOD. All drawings and bar and fabric schedules must be checked by a competent person other than the detailer. The checking of drawings falls into 3 stages. Stage 1, Design check. The drawing correctly interprets the design as described in and supported by the checked calculations. Stage 2, Detailing check. The drawing has been prepared in accordance with current standards and meets the requirements of that particular job. The information agrees with the general arrangement and other associated drawings and bar and fabric schedules, with particular reference to dimensions, termination of reinforcement, construction details, notes, etc. The details shown can, in practice, be constructed. Where standard drawings are used, they should be checked to ensure they represent the actual structure correctly, and when alterations are made to them, they should be checked to ensure that the original design intentions have not been lost. Stage 3, Overall check. The checks under stages 1 and 2 have been carried out. The drawing is in all respects suitable for its purpose and truly reflects the requirements of the project. Each drawing has a box containing the name of the draftsman and checker. Standard checking lists may be a useful aid but must not be considered a complete check, since no checklist can be totally comprehensive. The items set out below are some that could form the basis for a checklist. Point 1, is general presentation and orientation correct? Point 2, are title, scales, drawing numbers correct? Point 3, are revision letters correct and their location shown? Point 4, are sufficient sections and details given? Point 5, are general notes complete and can they be understood? Point 6, is spelling correct? Point 7, have all standards and codes of practice been complied with? Point 8, are setting out dimensions correct? Point 9, have checked dimensions been included? Point 10, do running dimensions agree with overall dimensions? Point 11, can materials specified be obtained? Point 12, do number, sizes and reinforcement agree with the relevant calculations and other drawings? Point 13, has cross-referencing to other drawings and bar and fabric schedules been provided? Point 14, where applicable is number off correct? Point 15, are chamfers, fillets and drips and similar features shown? Point 16, are all projections reinforced? Point 17, is the cover specified and correct? Point 18, are splices and laps in correct position? Point 19, do splices suit construction joints? Point 20, is there congestion of reinforcement? Point 21, are large-scale details required? Point 22, are cranks required where bars cross? Point 23, is spacing of reinforcement correct both on plan and section? Point 24, is reinforcement required for anti-crack or fire resistance? Point 25, do hooks foul other reinforcement? Point 26, are schedules correct? Point 27, have drawings been signed by the detailer and checker? Point 28, where required are the spacers and chairs shown or specified? Method of checking. It is useful to adopt a standard checking system using different colored pencils. A suggested color system would be blue or yellow like fluorescent for highlighting correct details, red for marking of additions and corrections. Green tick may help to identify whether it updated or not. Other than yellow or blue not recommended for highlighting purpose, because if we make red mark on other color it not clear enough to detailers. When the amendments have been completed it is important to check the finished drawing against the check print. Thank you. For more videos please subscribe Feel Free Creations Rebar Details.